Hey guys, this is Vishal, and today I'm going to show you how you can send any type of HTTP or HTTPS request from your VS Code. So, whenever we want to send any HTTP or HTTPS request from the VS Code, we need to install one extension called REST client. So, I have opened my VS Code and open the extension tab, and you need to search it here called REST client. So whenever you search REST client, you will see the first one extension called REST client. You need to install that. Once you install, then we need to use it, like how we can send the HTTPS request. So whenever we want to use the REST client, we need to create one HTTP file with the extension called HTTP. So let's create that HTTP, and I have this file. Now you can simply say what type of request you want to send from the VS Code. Let's say I want to send GET request, so I can simply say GET, and I can see whenever I type the GET, it will give me this block of code. I can paste my URL here. So let me take my API URL and paste it here. So this is the my get API, and whenever we write any get or any of the method name, you can see above that method you can see the button called send request. Once we paste any API URL, it will enable send request button automatically via the extension. So let me click on that button, and here is my response. So like this you can send your get request from the VS Code using the REST client. So let's try to send post request. So whenever you want to send another request from the same file, you need to tell the editor like this is the separate request. For that you need to type or write three hash here. So now you can send any other request below that hash. So let me take the post API endpoint. So yeah, so this is my post, and here is my post API URLs. You can see here, like once we type the post, it will automatically give us the code to send the HTTP post API body headers and its URL. So here we can pass any type of header. Let's say content type, right? And here you can simply say application JSON, and here we can pass our body. So let me get my body and send it here. Yeah, so now you can see this is the send button here. You can click on send, and you can see the result. So in this way you can send the post request from the VS Code via the REST client. Now you can, now let's check how you can send the put request from the VS Code or the delete request. Like we can simply say post, sorry, put, and here we can simply pass our URL. And here is my URL, and header is the same content type application JSON, and here I can send my body. This is my body, and I can again send the request, and you can see the result. This record is updated. Last one, say let's send the delete request from the VS Code, and yeah, this is the delete. We need to add one URL here. So let me take the URL. Yeah, so this is my delete API, and it simply says send. You can see the result. So this record has been deleted. So in this way, today we learn how we can send the HTTP and HTTPS request from the VS Code only. We don't need to check for third-party libraries like as a Postman or anything. Let's say you want to clone this API request as a curl. So you can simply right click on it and say copy as a curl request. So you can copy it and send the curl request as well. So that's it for today. Bye.